Alrighty, hello grade 11s and 12s. Welcome to Chinese 20 and 30 again on a Thursday, 星期四, 5月28号. Today we are going to go over lesson 11. We're going to go over we're going to go over types of foods and also meals. Okay? So let's learn some new words today. Miss Scalsalus, the teacher today, will give you now a vocabulary sheet, and you will fill it in as I go over these words. Number one, we have 餐. 餐 means meal. Now, when we talk about meal in Chinese, there's two major words related to meal. We have 中餐, which means Chinese food, and 西餐, which means Western food. 西餐 is used to describe any food that is eaten by white people. So in countries like Canada, US, and all over Europe as well. Okay, so the word 餐 means food and meal. 快, we know that word from last year, right? 快 means fast. So now, what do you think 快餐 would mean? Yes, you're right. Fast food. Now we're going to go over some famous fast foods. Number one, we have dog. You see the character dog has the animal radical on the left-hand side. Dog is pronounced as 狗. 狗. So a famous fast food would be 热狗. 热 means hot. We know this from Unit 2, right? Unit 2, we learned weathers. So we have 热狗, hot dog. Next, we have burger. Burger in Chinese is called 汉堡包. 汉堡包. For each word, please repeat after me 4 times and fill it in. 汉堡包. 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 And then we have 饼. 饼. 饼, which means a flat cake. So a word here would be 比叉饼, which means pizza. Okay. Now we have a sentence here. Let's get Grayson to read the sentence out loud. Okay. So Grayson, you should have read 我喜欢吃热狗、汉堡包和披萨饼. Now let's ask Owen what it means. Excellent, Owen. Now the other sentence above we have 中餐、西餐我都喜欢吃. Andy, what does the sentence mean? Excellent job, Andy. Okay. Next, we have, so we know 吃 means to eat, 喝 means to drink. That's the verb, to drink. Okay. 喝, you notice the word 喝 has the mouth radical because you need your mouth to drink. And then we have 饮料. 饮料 means drink, but this is the noun. 喝 means 饮料 means 饮料 is a drink like Coke, Fresca, bubbly, or alcoholic drinks which you should not be drinking at your age yet. Okay? So some famous 饮料 of the world. Number 1, we have 可乐。汽水。可乐 means Coca-Cola or Pepsi, cola. 汽水 means gas water. 汽 means gas. So guess what? 汽水. 汽水 means soda water or pop. I want you now to read the question and the answer out loud as a class, please, and break down the words. All right. We know there's one way to say the word or, and that in Chinese it is 或. 或可乐或雪碧, so cola or Pepsi, right? Or Sprite, sorry, that's what I said. 或 means or. Another word for or is 还是. We know 但是 is but. 应该 is should. 还是 means or. Okay? 你喜欢吃中餐还是西餐? Do you like Chinese food or Western food? Okay. Now, Miss Scosilus will lead you in the reading of the text, please. All right, please read it. Let's see if you can do it without the pinging. Please do this exercise. Excellent. All right. Now please play Pictionary. Afterwards, please hand in your workbook. Actually, no, before you hand in your workbook, you're going to work on your workbook. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. You're going to do numbers 1 to 7 from lesson 10 that was already assigned. You're also going to do numbers 1 to 5 and 7 to 10 for lesson 11. At the end of the unit, I will take in your workbook and mark it all. So if you didn't do your lesson 10 homework yet, or workbook, which is numbers 1 to 7, you can do so still. I will take your workbook in at the end of the unit. I will post these numbers on Brightspace as well. Okay? So for the rest of the class, you will complete either numbers 1 to 7 for lesson 10, which is the previous lesson, or you're going to do exercises numbers 1 to 5 and 7 to 10 for this lesson on meals. I will be back on Friday, which is tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.